In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multi-page Canva website, a fantastic option for anyone looking to craft a visually stunning and functional site without needing complex coding skills. We'll be delving into the step-by-step process, ensuring that by the end, you'll feel confident in producing your own website through Canva. Let's start by heading over to Canva's homepage. Once you're logged in, locate the website option either via the search bar or through the templates section on the main screen. You'll find a wonderful variety of modern, ready-to-use templates that can serve as the foundation for your site. Choose one that best suits your vision, remembering that Canva offers plenty of flexibility to customize any template to your unique needs. After selecting your desired template, let's focus on personalization. Take a moment to replace any placeholder images and text to align with your content. As you do this, think about the layout and the flow of information you want to convey. Canva's drag-and-drop interface makes this process easy and intuitive. Simply click on text boxes to edit or drag your photos directly into place. Now, if your website requires more than one page to effectively share your message, rest assured that adding pages is straightforward in Canva. At the bottom of the design window, there's an option to add a new page. Clicking it duplicates the current page layout but gives you a blank slate to fill with new content. This consistency keeps your design uniform across various sections. Next, consider navigation. Websites thrive on clear, intuitive pathways that guide visitors through the information seamlessly. Canva allows you to hyperlink text boxes and image elements, creating clickable buttons or menu items. To set this up, simply select your desired element, click the link icon in the toolbar, and enter the URL of the page you want it to navigate to. This feature is crucial and allows users to jump from page to page effortlessly. Before you're ready to publish, take some time to review each page for consistency. Look for uniformity in font styles, colors, and image sizes. Consistency not only enhances the user's experience but also provides a professional touch that distinguishes your site. When your website feels ready to go live, publishing it through Canva is incredibly simple. Hit that Publish as Website option in the top right corner, and you can choose how your site will appear online. Whether it's a standalone landing page or a more traditional scrolling site, your choices here will affect how visitors interact with your content. Lastly, familiarize yourself with the settings that allow you to adjust visibility and access. Be sure to test your website on various devices to ensure it looks fantastic everywhere. That's it for today's walkthrough. With these tools and steps, you now have the foundation to create an engaging multi-page website using Canva. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!